You searched how to buy shares of Mercedes-Benz Group AG. Mercedes-Benz Group AG is a global automotive manufacturer listed on Xetra under the ticker MBG.DE, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy MBG.DE, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before placing any purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MBG.DE to locate Mercedes-Benz Group AG. Confirm the listing appears on Xetra to make sure you select the correct share. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for MBG.DE. Verify the company name, exchange, and ticker match before you continue. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm to place a market or limit order. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after execution. Check the link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same steps.